time to install ricochet A-arm guards on Megatron. In order to install this, I've got to remove those rivets. These are held on by these rivets, and so far this is what's taking time, is using this grinder and trying to grind off the rivets to the point where they heat up and melt, and I can pull that off, and now I should be able to work on the rivets. Getting these rivets off is not easy, and the best way I have found to do it is with a grinder like this, and then peeling them off and tapping the rivet, what's left over, back down inside the A-arm. Here's how it looks after getting 2 rivets off and the factory plastic guard off and cleaning up the A-arms before installing the ricochet plates. Now I'm going to use electric tape to cover up those spots. That's how it looks with tape covering the rivet holes. Removing these rivets, I created some scratches in the paint here, so I used electrical tape to cover those up nice and tight and cleaned up the A-arm guard here before I put the plate on. Check out how much paint is missing off the front of those rear A-arms.